let's open up Instagram and find a comment to reply to. We're going to do it together so you can see just how simple and easy this process can be. We're going to click up on the heart. We're going to go to comments. Oh, let's see if we can find one. Oh, here's a good one. The Creative Tim. How do I pay myself and my partner for the work we do? Do we just withdraw from that business checking account? Okay, perfect. So when you hit reply, see this video button right here? Boom. That's how you video reply to comment. So what we're going to do is we're just going to record a video as is right now, nothing crazy. You can record in the app like this. When you hit the video reply button, you can flip the camera around and you can say, yep, it's really that simple. You just transfer money from your business bank account to your personal bank account and you're done. And that can work. You can also upload by pressing this button right here. And then you'll be able to grab any of the videos that are on your phone. We're actually going to record the video using our iPhone. We're not going to do this inside the Instagram app. There's a reason for that. The iPhone software for recording is better than the Instagram software for recording. So let me show you what I mean. We're going to exit and we're going to go over here to camera. Now we need to get our microphone set up. These are wireless mics. I'm sure you've seen many just like them. I'm wearing one right now. And we're going to set up these as well. This is the microphone right here, and this is the receiver. The receiver needs to be plugged into the cell phone, just like this. On my other microphones, they have a much smaller receiver, and it's just way better. Okay, so we're going to swap this over to OST so that we don't have any noise canceling. A lot of these microphones will have noise canceling built in. We don't like that. We don't want to do noise canceling. It just messes up our audio. We'll take care of it in post, meaning we'll take care of it in the editing process or later on. Okay, we have our microphone set up. We have our phone set up. Now, what we need to do is we need to put it on portrait mode, and we got to make sure that we're using the rule of thirds. See how the level right here is right in the middle. That yellow bar's there, and we're nice and even. And look at how my eyes are on the top third. That's exactly how you want to frame this. Now, you don't necessarily need to put it on a tripod. You can hold it out at arm's length. I like to just about lock my elbow, so I'm about this far away. It gives good framing, and then I like a little bit of movement when I'm going around, when I'm talking. That way I can use my hand and I can communicate a little bit better. So this person asked how they pay themselves from their partnership. So imagine them reading the comment and me giving them an answer right away. The last thing that I want to do is waste their time by reading the comment again to them. I mean, we can read faster than we can listen anyway. So as I'm giving them the answer, they're going to be reading it. It's going to have an authentic feel because I'm holding a microphone and there's no real special stuff going on. So let me show you what I mean by this. If you're anything like me, business banking can feel intimidating and overwhelming. That's why this video is sponsored by Relay, a business banking platform that's better than all the others. Why do I say it's better? Because I use it. I love it. And it's way better than all the other big name banks that I've used. They do everything I need a bank account to do. Multiple accounts? No problem. Send checks? Easy. Pay yourself? Statements? Connect to QuickBooks Online? All of it. It's taken me years to find a banking partner like Relay. So I reached out to them. I asked them if we could work together to sponsor this video because I enjoy and use their products so much. And I know that if I spread the word to you, there's a chance you'll get to experience what I've experienced. Stress-free online business banking. The setup is super easy and can be completed from your computer at home. All you need is your LLC paperwork and your EIN. After a short application process, you're done. There's no monthly fees, there's no monthly minimums, there's no account minimums, there's no minimum balances, there's no hidden fees. Big thanks to Relay for sponsoring this video. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description so you can get set up with your very own business bank account from the comfort of your home. It's really that simple. You transfer money from the business bank account to your personal bank account. And that's how you pay yourself when you are partners with somebody in another business. Now, here's the thing though. Partnerships are any business that have more than one member. So if you formed an LLC with another person, you're automatically going to be taxed as a partnership. That means your business is going to have to file its own tax return. That means that your business is going to be sending a K-1 to you and your partner, which is just a fancy word for a piece of paper that states how much you got paid. You'll need that K-1 for your taxes. Otherwise, you're good to go. Just transfer the money from the business account to your personal account. Okay, cool. That was good, but it was a little wordy. And I think it could be more concise because as I was recording that, I was like, oh, you know what? This thought isn't fully formed. I better work on that first. Let's keep it short and sweet and see what happens. Yep, it's really that simple. Just transfer money from your business account to your personal account. I like to generate an invoice and email it to the business so I can have a paper trail and the documentation will be tight. If you do it like that, your CPA and your bookkeeper will know exactly what to do with it come tax time. Okay, perfect. We nailed it. Let's go back into the Instagram app. And you can see here that we still have the comment up. Let's hit this button. We got to unplug the microphone so we can actually hear it. And then let's hit next. Looks like our comment went away. Let's see what we can do about that. Let's save the draft. And let's see if we can upload it from here. Let's hit reply. Let's type this. Let's hit this, hit next. Okay, there we go. We're good. See how these lines pop up? You don't want to put anything under those lines. I like it down here. Okay, let's click on this button and let's do captions. Okay, I'm going to change the way the captions look. I think they could be better. We'll put it in the center. Let's hit next. Okay, cool. Okay, we're going to wait for this to load and we're going to select a cover. So we're going to pick the most interesting part, which should be right there. We're going to hit done, and that's what it's going to look like. To pay yourself from your business, transfer money from the business bank account to your personal bank account. But if you need help, just DM me. Cool. And that's it. We've got the caption written. We've got the video edited. We know what we're going to post. Let's go through the last little bit and make sure everything's dialed in. We're not tagging any people or any products. We could add a message if we wanted to. The audience is going to be everyone. In terms of topics, we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to choose small business and entrepreneurship. If you're selling gardening supplies, you may want to pick trees or gardening or something else, and then we'll hit done. We're going to go down here, add paid partnership. Nope. Add a location. Nope. It's not made with AI. Let's go to advanced settings. Allowing gifts is fine. That's fine. You can choose to hide like counts or schedule the reel. But what's most important is we want to make sure show captions is on, translate captions is on, and upload at highest quality is on. This is a really important button because you want your stuff to look good. Okay, cool. We are all set. Our content has been created. Let's hit share. And we're done. Let's go back to our profile and see where the video popped up. And there's our content. So you can click on this comment and you can see the original video with the original comment and how I just DM'd it. So super simple, super easy. And honestly, it's a slept on way of doing things. That's how you create a video reply to a comment and post. That's about as simple as it gets. Of course, you're going to end up trying to complicate things just like me and adding on layers of stuff. But for the most part, in its simplest, most authentic, most raw and real form, that is a video reply to comment. We're going to create content so that we can get comments. When we get those comments, we can do video replies. There's no limit to the interesting things that we can include in a video reply as well, because you saw you can edit the video before you upload it. So you can do all kinds of cool, crazy stuff and then click on the comment, upload it, and you don't have to worry about doing it in the moment. Hopefully watching me do this has made you feel more confident in your ability to get this done. If you like this video, there's a lot more where that came from. I have put together some incredible trainings, frameworks, scripts, and everything else you might need to make content effortless so you can have more followers and make more sales, just like these members right here. Click the link below and you'll have instant access to everything. I'll see you on the new members call.